Are you already preparing for exams like RBI, SEBI and PFRDA? Then let me tell you that here is another important opportunity that you must not miss, which is IFSCA Grade A. So basically IFSCA Grade A notification is expected to be announced anytime soon, probably by the end of this month. But the thing is that basically in this video we will talk very precisely and we will talk to the point regarding that why you must prepare for this examination if you're already preparing for RBI, SEBI and PFRDA, and we will also see the approach that you can follow in order to cover the syllabus. But before we discuss all these things, a small announcement. We know that PYQs play a very important role with respect to preparation for any competitive exam. So what you can do, you can go to the description box, click over the link, and from there you can download the previous year questions. Right? Now moving forward. First of all, the first and the foremost reason why you should prepare for IFSCA if you're already preparing for, I would say, RBI, SEBI and PFRDA is because of this reason, which is syllabus overlap. If you see paper 1 of phase 1 with respect to IFSCA, you can see the pattern. Just look at here. We have general awareness, we have English language, we have quants, we have reasoning. This is the same content that you have to prepare for the other three examinations also that I'm talking about. And very specifically, if you're already preparing for RBI, I've repeated it multiple times that you don't have to put any kind of extra efforts to prepare for paper 1 of IFSCA phase 1. Why is it so? Because basically the approach is similar, and I would say that the difficulty level of RBI is higher as compared to IFSCA phase 1 paper 1. So if you are prepared for that, then automatically it's get covered. The only thing that I would like to suggest you is that go through PYQs and solve few mock test papers. That is the only thing that is required. If you talk about paper 2, now regarding paper 2 also, you have some sort of advantage if you are preparing for the three examinations that I'm talking about. If you're very specifically preparing for, let us say, SEBI or PFRDA, then I would say that your content with respect to commerce accountancy should be covered. With respect to RBI also, it is going to help you, but there are few 1 to 2, I would say, additional topics that are there in IFSCA but not in RBI, but they are in SEBI, right? So I would say if you look at it in an overall manner, then naturally you are going to cover commerce accountancy, and apart from that, management also. We know that RBI's management syllabus is very much exhaustive, so if you have covered that, it should be sufficient, because this I would say this IFSCA management syllabus is much lesser as compared to RBI. Then we have finance and costing. Again, यहाँ पर आपकी RBI की प्रिपरेशन काम आ जाएगी, कॉस्टिंग में आपको सेबी या फिर पीएफआरडी की प्रिपरेशन काम आ जाएगी. ठीक है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं चाहिए. And this is also qualifying in nature. You just have to cross this 40% cutoff. That is a pre-decided cutoff. You just have to cross that, and yes, then you will be eligible for the phase 2 examination, where of course you have to secure maximum marks in order to get qualified for the interview. So you can just imagine the efforts that are required over here. You just have to prepare for SEBI and PFRD in a dedicated manner. Even if you are targeting SEBI, we know that with respect to SEBI, these components are mandatory because these components are going to be used in phase 1 as well as in phase 2. The component like costing, the component like accountancy, also sort of things. But with respect to IFSCA, that is not the requirement, because you just have to somehow clear the cutoff with respect to phase 1, and these components are not going to be useful for the phase 2. We will talk about phase 2 later on. Fine. So these components are not going to be useful over there because the syllabus of phase 2 is different from phase 1. So that is why you need to put only efforts up to such an extent so that you are able to clear the phase 1 cutoff. Then what do we have? We have Indian economy, global economy, all these things we know we cover under the RBI syllabus. So you don't have to put any kind of extra effort regarding that. Automatically this component will be prepared. The only thing I'm again saying that you have to do is basically PYQ analysis and some mock test paper. बस ये देखना है आपको, बाकी कोई एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट ही चाहिए यहाँ पर अगर आपने यहाँ पर प्रिपेयर किया हुआ है. अगर हम फेज 2 की बात करें, जस्ट लुक एट हियर, द पेपर 1 इज एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर to what is required for, I will say, exams like RBI. Fine. Here also you have English, precise writing, essay and comprehension. Fine. So the same thing is there and you don't have to put any kind of extra effort. तो ये काम भी आपको solve हो गया. Right? If you talk about paper 2, अब ये एक अकेला ऐसा पेपर है पूरे एग्जाम में जहां पर आपको थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. क्यों? क्योंकि यहां पर कुछ चीजें जैसे कि आपको IFSC एक्ट पढ़ना पड़ेगा. राइट? अब अगर मैं पेंशन फंड की बात करूं, पेंशन फंड इज समथिंग वो जो कि आपने पीएफआरडी में कवर किया होगा. आप सेबी में पेंशन नहीं पढ़ते हो, पेंशन सेक्टर इज नॉट देयर इन सेबी सिलेबस, बट पीएफआरडी में वो है. और सेबी और पीएफआरडी में बस एक ही फर्क है कि पेंशन सेक्टर पे आपको थोड़ा फोकस करना है, बाकी सारा का सारा सिलेबस सेम है. सो यू कैन सी दैट बेसिकली अप टू अ ह्यूज एक्सटेंट द सिलेबस इज ओवरलैपिंग इन ऑल दिस एग्जामिनेशंस. So you can hit, I would say, multiple birds with one stone. fine, with one time investment, and that is something that you should not miss. So you can see it over here also that you require to prepare GIFT City, GIFT IFSC, and then ग्लोबल फाइनेंशियल सेंटर्स. ठीक है, ये सब चीज़ें, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये कोई बहुत ज़्यादा सिलेबस है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इनपुट चाहिए. हार्डली ये हफ्ते 10 दिन का काम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, और ये बिल्कुल भी एक रीज़न नहीं होना चाहिए जिसकी वजह से आप IFSC का एग्जाम ना दो, चाहे कोई और दूसरा रीज़न बिल्कुल हो, बट ये तो बिल्कुल जस्टिफाइड रीज़न नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज जस्ट बिकॉज दिस कंपोनेंट you have to cover, that's why you're not appearing for the examination. So my suggestion is that please do not, I would say, miss this opportunity. And since the notification, I would say, as I told you, a very high probability is there that the notification could be announced anytime soon. So please start preparing both beforehand only, right? So please be mentally prepared that these are the components that you have to prepare, and especially this additional component, start covering this also with small steps, and eventually you will be in a comfortable position after a certain point of time. So that is my suggestion. Apart from that, I would say I have already told you the extra components that you have to prepare, and these are the extra components that I have told you. Rest of the things, the only difference is regarding the pattern. Pattern is, I would say, is something that is manageable. ठीक है, इसीलिए मैंने आपको कहा कि मॉक टेस्ट दोगे तो आप पैटर्न के साथ अवेयर हो जाओगे, एंड उस हिसाब से आप प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हो. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट बेसिकली here is a video if you want to see in a detailed manner that basically how you can cover IFSCA grade A syllabus, right, and what are the overlapping areas in a detailed manner that you need to consider. I have uploaded another video where I have basically decoded IFSCA grade A syllabus, right? So you can watch that video also, where you will get an idea that what could be the sources that you can use in order to prepare the additional components. So this is something that I'm going to suggest you, so please watch that. Apart from that, I would like to say that we know that with respect to regulatory bodies examinations, somewhere the vacancy is also decreasing. Fine, and even if the vacancy is decreasing or it is syllabus, I would say it is stable, does not matter too much. The thing is that the competition is also increasing every year. So I would say we know that all the students are not going to get selected at the same time. कुछ लोग एक साल में select होंगे, कुछ लोग चाहे अगले साल select होंगे, depending on the input that they are providing. So in order to I would say manage things accordingly, basically you need to have some kind of backup plan. और मैं आपको बैकअप प्लान बिल्कुल भी कोई ऐसा वियर्ड सा बैकअप प्लान नहीं सजेस्ट कर रहा जिसके लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. मैं आपको वही बैकअप प्लान दे रहा हूँ बेसिकली जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन के साथ अलाइन करता है. अगर आरबीआई आपका एग्जाम है तो आप IFSCA सेबी PFRD के लिए प्रिपेयर करो. अगर सेबी आपका एग्जाम है फिर भी आप आरबीआई को टारगेट कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज थिंग दैट इज, आई वुड से, इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री अप्रोच. दैट इज, आई वुड से, यू कैन से दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ब्यूटी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज एग्जामिनेशन. तो एक एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर किया तो बाकियों को भी टारगेट किया जा सकता है अकॉर्डिंगली, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू फाइन अप टू अ ह्यूज एक्सटेंट. सो आई वुड से द additional effort is required, but it is going to be minimal as compared to the reward. Fine, no doubt regarding that. So please go for it. Now I'm done from my end, and if you have any other question, any other query, please don't hesitate to write it in the comment box. And before I end the session, let me also tell you that how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation. So basically you have to go to a website which is edutap.in. You can enter this IFSCA grade A courses, and over here you can see that we provide both gold as well as silver course. In gold course we provide content for both phase 1 as well as phase 2, and in silver course we provide content for phase 2 only. And we are offering combo courses also. For example, we know that PFRD exam is expected to happen on 6th of September. So if you have applied for that also, then basically, or maybe if you want to prepare PFRDA for the next year, then basically you can definitely go for this. There are other combo offers also. You can definitely scan our website and you can go through it, right? And these are the other details, and you just have to apply this code combo70 and you can avail 70% off on the courses. So that is it from my end, and thank you so much and all the best.